Hello, learners. Welcome to Learn English Easy and Fast, where stories make learning fun and simple. If you're ready to improve your English in an easy and enjoyable way, you're in the right place. The secret to learning anything fast. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between green hills, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. Everyone in the village admired Lily's determination, but she always felt frustrated. Whenever she tried to learn something new, it took her a long time to understand it. One day, she heard about the wise old man, Mr. Oliver, who lived at the edge of the forest. They said he could learn anything faster than anyone else. Lily decided to visit him and discover his secret. When she arrived at Mr. Oliver's cozy little cottage, she found him tending to his books and plants. "Mr. Oliver, everyone says you can learn anything very quickly. How do you do it?" Lily asked, her eyes full of hope. The old man smiled kindly. "Ah, Lily, learning fast is not about being the smartest. It's about how you learn. Let me share with you my secret. Step 1, the why key." Mr. Oliver sat down and poured Lily a cup of tea. "The first step," he said, "is to know why you want to learn something. If your reason is strong, your mind will absorb information faster." Lily frowned. "But how does that help?" Mr. Oliver chuckled. "Imagine you are carrying two heavy bags up a hill. One bag has gold inside, and the other bag has stones. Which bag will feel lighter?" "The gold, of course," Lily answered quickly. "Exactly. Your why is the gold. When you know why something matters to you, learning becomes lighter and easier." Lily thought hard and finally said, "I want to learn English so I can travel the world and speak with people everywhere. Now that's a golden reason." Mr. Oliver smiled. Step 2, break it down. Mr. Oliver handed Lily a thick book of English grammar. Her eyes widened in fear. "Do you think you can finish this book in one day?" he asked. "No way. It's too big." "Exactly," he said. "The trick is to break everything into small pieces. Learn one small part every day." He opened the book to the first page and pointed to 5 simple phrases. "Start with these 5 phrases today. Tomorrow, learn 5 more. Bit by bit, you'll master the whole language." Lily smiled. Suddenly, the big book didn't seem so scary anymore. Step 3, the 80-20 rule. The next morning, Lily returned to the cottage. Mr. Oliver welcomed her with a small basket of apples. "Tell me, Lily, if you only had time to pick 20 apples, would you choose randomly or pick the biggest, juiciest ones?" "I'd pick the best ones, of course," she answered. That's exactly how learning works. Mr. Oliver explained. Only 20% of the information gives you 80% of the results. In English, 1,000 common words make up most conversations. Focus on those first. Lily's eyes lit up. Now she had a clear plan. Step 4. Learn by teaching. A few days later, Lily returned with a notebook full of new English words. Great work! Mr. Oliver praised her. Now, I want you to teach these words to someone else. Lily blinked. But I'm still learning them myself. That's the secret, he said with a wink. When you teach others, your mind understands better. Explain what you learned to your little brother every night. That night, Lily sat with her little brother and taught him 5 English words. To her surprise, she remembered them better the next morning. Step 5. Practice, not just study. A week later, Mr. Oliver asked, Lily, if you want to learn how to swim, would reading a book about swimming be enough? No, I would have to get into the water, she giggled. Exactly. Practice is everything. If you want to speak English, you must speak every day, even if you make mistakes. From that day on, Lily spoke English whenever she could. She greeted people in English, named objects around her, and even talked to herself in front of the mirror. Step 6. Use all your senses. Finally, Mr. Oliver gave Lily one last piece of advice. The more senses you use, the faster you learn. Don't just read, listen to English songs, watch movies, write down new words, and say them out loud. Lily followed his advice. She watched cartoons in English, listened to songs, and kept a small notebook where she wrote new words every day. The transformation. After 1 month, something magical happened. Lily was speaking simple English confidently. She went back to Mr. Oliver's cottage, her eyes shining with pride. I know your secret now. Anyone can learn fast if they follow the right method. Mr. Oliver smiled. Yes, Lily. The secret is not how smart you are, it's how you learn. Moral of the story. If you want to learn anything fast, follow these steps. Find your why. Break it down. Focus on the important parts. Teach others. Practice every day. Use all your senses. No one is born a fast learner. They simply know the right way to learn. Thank you for joining Learn English Easy and Fast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that make learning fun and easy.